Commercial Property Policy, 175 pages of legalese. Who wants to read that? If you're like me, you put something like this in a drawer and forget about it. Some people say, well, I just let my agent explain coverage essentials. Well, your agent gets a commission bonus from that policy, so is he or she really going to provide an honest critique? So how do you know what you're buying? How do you know if you're covered if there's a claim? Which situations are covered and which are excluded? How do you know how to figure out your rate? What factors influence your rate? And how does your rate compare to industry benchmarks? How do you know if your values and limits are correct? That you're not overinsuring or underinsuring your property? Several years ago, I had the opportunity to connect with various DFW real estate owners. They found out I specialized in property insurance and asked me to take a look at their policy. And I was surprised at what I found. Co-insurance terms indicating they'd be penalized on a claim. Low sublimits that's minimized coverage for certain perils. And high rates. The premium was reasonable, but property values were scaled down to high rate. So I developed the policy review process. It's a simple 1-hour meeting where I look at a business's commercial property policy and offer helpful insights. This is not something where I throw stones at the current policy or try to sell more insurance. My feedback is honest, personal, and aims at improving the business. It's focused on the two core concepts of property insurance. Number one, rate analysis. Reviewing rate factors and industry benchmarks helps you move closer to a best-in-class rate. It lowers the premium and it lets you put more dollars toward growth opportunities. And two is coverage analysis. Understanding policy coverages helps you steer clear of an uncovered or penalized claim situation and could save your business from paying thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars out of pocket. This policy review process, it's a free service. It's not a sales tactic or a gimmick. It's simply a way to help businesses. So if this is something you're interested in, email policyreview@recordre.com to start the conversation.